Brother and sister in the diaspora, life is busy, but that should not stop you from taking control of your future. Imagine building a profitable online business with just 2 hours a day. Even if you are trying to keep up with a full-time job, family, and other responsibility, it is possible for you to create a life of financial freedom and also to have some time flexibility. It is possible with this business that I'm going to share with you that you can get started your own international digital business. And you don't have to create your own product. I will show you some product like this that you can own. And these are some digital products, higher selling product that you can own and you can resell them over and over and earn 100% profit. You can earn anywhere from $100 up to $900 per sale. And you can do that multiple times a day. It is possible with this business that I'm sharing with you today. And you will also get a system like this that will be doing the telling and the selling for you. This system will do 95% of the work for you. It is also a done for you system. All you need is to plug in your information. Very easy, step by step for you to plug it in, and you have a fully automated online business that will be out there working for you 24/7. And you will get access also to join our community of over 48,700 members. As you can see here, inside this community, the goal is to help create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. We already have a lot of six-figure income earner inside the community. We also have some millionaire in US dollar and also millionaire in some other country currency. So this is a place to be. You could be one of them if you get started today. This is one of the best online business community to be part of, and you will also get some training inside. We have some classroom inside the community where you can learn how to use TikTok to market your business. As you can see here, we also have a training to show you step by step on how to set up your automated online business, your system. You can do it all step by step, easy to follow. And we also have this training here, the 6-figure in 6 months training. We have some live training, weekly live training that can help you also. And we also have a lot of more training inside that you can also learn. It can help you for your personal development. So it's a place to learn and earn at the same time. And also now, join me now as we explore some real daily earning from our thriving community member of over 48,000 members. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of January 2025. And now let's see what Lisa said. She's also a member of our community, and she posted that was 11 hours ago. She said, I am so blown away, $66,000 earned in just under 7 months. You can see almost close to getting to the six-figure income earner. As you can see here, is amazing. She said here that, I was so skeptical before I started this, already broke and forced to take a job that I didn't like, that pay a peanut. Started this on a wing and a prayer, literally. I didn't have the money to start, but she managed to get started. As you can see today, she's now earned over $66,000. Congratulations. We have also done a year 2 hours ago, posted also. This is what she said. This happened yesterday. We had a $900 sales while I was road tripping, and Jen was watching the tennis, which put us over to $10,000 profit mark. Like so many other here in our community, we have tried other opportunities. She went on to say that didn't work for them, but this worked for them. This business that I'm also sharing with you. You can see $10,000 earn. So is a good income. You can have your own online business. Can help you also to duplicate similar result. It's possible. If they can do it, anyone can do this because they are also average people. So this is amazing what I am sharing with you today. Congratulations. Let's move on. Imagine becoming your own boss, working less time and earning more income while having the freedom to live life on your own terms. That is what I am here to help you achieve. Let's see what Sabrina said. That was 6 hours ago. $300 earned multiple times today. This in one day, she was able to earn this one here. You can see because you have 4 digital products. You can earn unlimited time. So you can see here she said, firstly, I would like to take this moment to thank God for giving me the eyes that supported Legacy Builder program. Secondly, thank you, our global mentor, us, Michelle, for sharp a life changing. And Cecilia also posted that was one day ago. She said, I am so humble. I have just gone over $10,000 so far this month, and I am sitting here with tears in my eyes. I still can't believe how much life has changed since starting this. And her message continues. Congratulations to everyone, all the winner inside our community. You could be the next one also. So I am on a mission to empower you to take control of your future. My mission isn't just to help you to earn some money, it is to help you build a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. This is about more than income, it is about creating a legacy for you and for your family. If you are ready to turn your goal into reality, I am here to guide you every step of the way. Here, Vandana also posted that was 15 hours ago. She woke up to this today morning after a few months of earning small amount since I started with Legacy Builder. This is what I woke up today to. So motivated, don't give up, keep going. This is, and her message continue. So you can see here, she was able to earn a $900 payment here. You can see $900 commission thanks to this program. Tony also posted that was 9 hours ago. 99 leads and 5 sales, totally $3,700 in January. This month, my closing ratio is 1 out of 20. So that means she got a 99 lead, almost 100 lead. So and 5 sales. That means a 1 out of 20 people that join put their email into his lead capture page purchase. So that means you know this is the conversion is amazing, and you can see here in only the last few days of this month, he already earned close to $4,000. So congratulations, this is amazing. And you can see she said, meaning 1 out of 5 customers are buying from me. I have worked hard to reach this ratio. Michelle has preached this since day one. You can see it's working. It can work for anyone, any action taker. These results are possible because of a proven system I am sharing with you today. If you are ready to take the next step, I am here to personally help you get started. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumb up, and also please leave a comment if you would like to learn more, and I will send you the details as soon as possible. And I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and please also subscribe to support the growth of my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.